The first thing I'm going to do in this video is show you guys the error that everyone's experiencing. Then I'm going to show you guys how to solve it. Over here, I've broken everything down in Notion. So we're going to follow the steps in Notion and we're going to get through this so that you guys can go back to building your application. Let's get started. First, let's check out the error. Here, we're going to run npm run start to start the UI. We're going to start the relay server. So let's open up a different terminal. For the relay server, I'm going to run npm run relay. Now I've already installed my packages and I've already put in my DynV variables, OpenAI, and the port that you'd like to access. So let's run relay. Amazing. Now let's open this up on the browser. Splendid. So at this point, we can test the application so that the error pops up. Let's hit the connect button. I'll allow it to use my mic. Hey, I just want to get the weather in Los Angeles, California.
It seems like I can't access the weather information right now. But if you have another question or need help with something else, feel free to ask.
I'm also going to make sure that you guys see this in both ways. We're going to use the VAD.
Hi there, how's it going?
Hey, I'd like to get the weather in San Diego, California.
It seems I'm having a bit of trouble accessing the weather information right now. However, I can try to help with general knowledge about San Diego's typical weather. Would that be helpful for you?
No, it wouldn't. Sorry. Okay, so we saw the same exact error on VAD. Okay, so this is the weird error, right? It actually was able to get the weather. However, immediately on the function call output, you'll see error tool get weather has not been added. The model gets confused and lets us know that it can't access the weather right now. And afterwards, to add insult to injury, it actually sends us the data for the weather, all the arguments. Talk about annoying. We're gonna go ahead and fix that. I've shown you which error we're going to tackle. The first thing we want to do is create a folder called patch in our root folder. So here's our root folder. We'll create a folder called patch. I've created a folder called patch. Currently, there's nothing in there. The next step is to install patch. An npm package called patch package. Splendid. Here's our root folder. Go ahead and stop this, and we'll stop this. So stop the server, and I've stopped the front end application. I'll run npm install patch. Brilliant. Now that we have package here, let's confirm that. There we go. We're going to move this to done and utilize this one so that we can download the updated patch file. I have that in resources and I'll share that with you guys in the description below. Download this file. Once you have that file, we're going to drag the updated patch file to the patch folder that we created in the root folder. Grab it and drag it to that patch folder. See that file right over here. It's a very simple fix, but it'll work wonders for you. Drag this to the folder. We're going to update our package.json file with the post-install and patch package value. So let's grab this here. Slide over to our package.json. We're gonna head over to scripts. I'm in here. I'm gonna go ahead and move that done here. It's just npm CI. Awesome. So we ran the command npm CI, not run CI, and this updated our current repo with the patch file that we include. Next step is to run the application to make sure that everything was smooth and steady. We're gonna go ahead and test the application to make sure that those changes actually work. Let's connect.
Hello there, how can I help you today?
Hey, I'd like to grab the weather from Los Angeles, California.
In Los Angeles, California, it's currently 10 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, it is quite chilly. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Yes, I'd like to also grab the weather from San Diego, California.
In San Diego, California, it's also currently 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Another chilly day. Do you need weather updates for any more locations?
Brilliant. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. If there's anything else I can help you with, just let me know.
Amazing. So there you have it. It's working. Let's try VAD mode.
Hello, how are you today?
Hey there, I'd like to grab the weather from Sacramento, California.
The current temperature in Sacramento, California is 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Bundle up. It's quite cold out there.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. So as you can see, it's working. I wanted to really give a special shout out to these guys who helped this solution be possible. We're all engineers building on the knowledge of others, and I think it's really important to give people their credit where it's due, and honestly, they deserve this adulation. So here, let's start with Stevenik created the solution. This is his GitHub. Head over to that page so you guys can check him out. Let's see here. So that's Stevenik, awesome guy. Literally started posting issues right away. Next, I'd like to give a special shout out to this gentleman. Is one of the first to also post an issue about this function call, and that led me down a rabbit hole so that I didn't have to reinvent the wheel. So both of these guys were conversing on the chat, led us to where we are now. Now this one is an unsung hero. This gentleman went ahead and created the actual patch command so that we can install the fix with just an automated command, and we didn't just have to go and patch up the node modules ourselves. So I thought that was extremely magnanimous of this gentleman. His name is Alex Wagner. If I'm butchering that, let me know. Really awesome guys. You guys should check out issues as well. If there's anything there that you're facing that I didn't cover, let me know and I'll create a video about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I really want to build my tech family.